the place for comic book and anime reviews.
Hey there, you guys. Welcome to the Brandon Campbell 12 YouTube channel. Again, play for all your comic book and anime reviews. And here you guys, my review of Adventures of Super Sons issue number 2. Great cover right here of all of them kid Legion of Doom members and them having a one-shot of Damian and John. It's a really good cover, actually. Really fun. And again, also we get kind of like flashback sequence. So I guess when these Legion of Doom members, one member of the Legion were young, they're green, and I immediately thought it was Beast Boy. And I was like, what is Beast Boy doing here? But the story goes on, we kind of find out a little bit more about what's actually going on here as we cut back to Lex Luthor punching John in the face, in the stomach, and he's being protected by his force fields on his belt. Buckle that Serum Man gave him. And but he still ends up getting knocked out in the end anyway and taken out with Damian. And they get locked in a little prison cell pretty much. And taken into the headquarters pretty much of the Legion of Kid Evil or whatever you want to call them. And we get this sequence later on with this kid Lex putting this gun out to one of his henchmen and telling he's about to pretty much shoot him now. And John sees that he pretty much gets right in front of this guy to try to protect him for like being a hero would do. And this doesn't really do much of anything except get him locked up with Damian. And the guy ends up getting shot anyway, so it didn't really add much. We do find out that this Joker guy was actually the alien from the very beginning of the episode, as he is asking for John and Damian's help, and he lets them both go free after Damian beats the hell out of him, which is pretty funny. And they end up getting out of there, John and Damian, or almost, until they found out that Joe Jr. was a traitor, and we get this sequence right here of Superboy being split out into red and blue, kind of like red and blue Superman, except now it's red and blue Superboy. That's pretty much where the issue ends off. So pretty good issue, really fun overall, interesting story. I don't think it's as good as the first issue, but it's still a pretty good issue overall. And I definitely enjoyed the dynamic between John and Damian in this issue, and it's fun. It's a lot of fun to read. So everyone else on the video series on issue number 2. Let me comment what you guys thought about this issue of Super Sons, and I will catch you guys later. Peace out.